Welcome to Computer Science Play Tutorials. Today let us discuss about Bayes theorem. So what is Bayes theorem? Here is the statement of Bayes theorem. It helps to determine the probability of an event with random or uncertain knowledge. To understand clearly, let us say A is an event, B is another event. Bayes theorem is used to calculate occurrence of probability of occurrence of A when B has already occurred. B has already occurred. That is the statement of Bayes theorem. It is used to calculate the occurrence of A when B has already occurred. And it relates conditional probability with marginal probability. Equation of Bayes theorem. P of A by B gives P of B by A into P of A by P of B. It represents occurrence of A when B is true. Occurrence of B when A is true. Probability of occurrence of A. Probability of occurrence of B. Stop. Let's see the proof of Bayes theorem. We know that conditional probability of B and A can be written as P of B intersection A by P of A. What this means? Number of times of A and B by number of times of A. Conditional probability of B given A can be written as number of times of B and A by number of times of A. By this equation, uh, P of B intersection A is equal to P of B by A into P of A. We know that P of B intersection A is equal to P of A intersection B. So by this statement we can write P of A intersection B as P of A given B into P of B. We know that equation 1 is equal to equation 2. So we can equate this. So by this we can write P of A intersection B, A by B, A given B is equal to, take it on left hand side. So this is the final equation. This is the Bayes theorem equation. We can write this as likelihood. This is posterior probability. This is hypothesis statement. Mhm. No, no. This is marginal probability. That is probability of evidence. And this is hypothesis statement. So this is Bayes theorem proof. So applications of, let's see, applications of Bayes theorem in machine learning. Where we use Bayes theorem in machine learning? In naive Bayes classifiers, we use Bayes theorem. And in Bayesian belief network also we use Bayes theorem. I will explain these concepts in further videos. So this is about Bayes theorem. Guys, please like my video, please share and subscribe. Please give your support so that I can make more and more videos. It may be very useful to you. Thank you.